Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can share your Firebase Studio project. Right, so before that, all you have to do here is to log into your Firebase Studio account. So just open any of your web browser and then it's in the search bar at the top. You can just type out the Firebase and then click on enter. And then you'll be able to see these websites. So just tap on the second one and then you just have to log into your account. So if you don't have an account yet and you're planning to use the Firebase Studio to create a project, then you just have to tap on the get started and then you just have to sign up for an account. So if you already have an account, you just have to log in. And then after that, you'd be able to see here now your workspaces. So you can see these three dots beside the title of your project. So you just have to tap on it and then I'd be able to see here now these options. We have duplicate, share, rename, restart, copy link, and delete. So since we want to share this project, so tap on the share option. All right, now you just have to add here the people. So for example, you can just type out right here their email. All right, so for example, this email. All right, so after that, you can now also copy this link. Okay, so once you copy the link of this workspace, all you have to do is to share that or to send the message to your workmates. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.